Now I'm going to show you how you can pass the values inside this sign-in method. So first of all, let's jump back to the welcome page.xaml file, and there I'm going to add an entry control and set a placeholder of this entry. Then I'm going to bind the text property of this entry with some property that we will write in the welcome page model. So let's jump towards the welcome page model, and there I'm going to declare the property with get and set accessors. Well, if you don't know how to get a property, then use the following snippet, that is prop full, and then hit tab, and here we go. This will get the property automatically. Now I'm going to set the type of this backing field to string, and then name this field to username. Similarly, I'm going to give a name to this property to username. Alright. Now we cannot bind this backing field with the entry control because this backing field is private and it's only accessible within this class. However, this property is public and we need to bind this property with the text of the entry control. So let's go back to the welcome page.xaml, and there inside this entry, I'm going to bind the text property of this entry with the username, and this username comes from the welcome page model class. Now, in the welcome page model, you'll see that we have already created this sign-in method. So inside this method, let's use this username property and assign it to the variable user. Well, this is just for testing purpose. I'm just going with this approach to demonstrate you how things actually work under the hood. Alright, now let's add a breakpoint with this line and let's execute this application. And here we go. We are on the welcome page, and there if I type something in this entry control and press this button, then the call goes to this method, and you can see that in this username property we have got the data that we have typed in the entry control. And it means we have successfully passed the data from the view to the view model, or from the pages to the pages model. Alright, now let's understand the iNotify property change in the next module.